Hello and welcome to the presentation of our final prototypes. Here you can see the prototype of our customer survey. On the main screen, the customer is asked to enter his overall satisfaction with the tourist information. For answering, he has 4 smileys, which he can then press on his hardware device. In the upper right, you can see a language switch with the relative flag of the country. More flags are in the planning to even support Chinese or Japanese language. After clicking on one of the smileys, the user is then guided to the main navigation screen, which shows the 5 services of the tourist information. After clicking of one of the services, he can evaluate it, or you can decide to just skip the services and continue with the evaluation of the tourist information. In the upper right, you can see a button which states "in a hurry," which the user can press at any time during the survey to enter the "in a hurry" screen. We implemented this screen to give the user the opportunity to end the survey quick and continue it on his way home, for example in the tram, or with his smartphone if he has reached his home. He has the opportunity to scan a QR code, or if he hasn't a scanner at hand, he can just type in his email and end the survey. Every time the survey ends or a user just leaves and left the screen where it is, the survey will return to the main page. Let's explore how services are evaluated. After clicking one, we can see our multi-question screen with 3 questions and space to give written feedback. Clicking on this button will open a keyboard where a user can enter his opinion, and by clicking Save, it will be entered in the respective field. For each question, the user can click on the mood he is in, which then will be highlighted. After clicking the Save and Exit button, the user will return to the main navigation screen with a little check mark next to the service he has already evaluated. If the user wants to continue the surveys and not evaluate further services, he can click on the Next button. Now, some questions are asked that regard more the overall tourist information and which are really valuable for the Karlsruhe tourism scheme. First, they want to know how long a customer has spent in the tourist information, and next, if the customer would recommend the visit to one of his friends. This screen is an example for a single question screen with huge text, 4 big smileys to really make it easy for the customer to press and read it. This screen asks further question about the stay of the customer in the tourist information. For example, if he has liked the service offered from the employees, the overall atmosphere, and if he will now like it in Karlsruhe. Again, he has the opportunity to give written feedback to the Karlsruhe Tourism GmbH. The last step are some personal information about the customer, who can enter them optionally. At any point he can stay save and exit, even if he doesn't want to give information. That's not a problem at all in our survey. This information helps a lot evaluating the results, giving more insights in the customer. The last screen of the survey says, "Thank you for the support by doing the evaluation," and by clicking on the smile, we will return to the home screen.